I'm Pratyush Bhattacharya. I got an aggregate of 98% in my board ICSE, 10th ICSE results. I was in 9th standard and 10th standard for UT. This was a good tuition to study in. The teachers gave a lot of attention to each of the students, and they improved my conceptual understanding a lot. So that helped me reduce a lot of my mistakes that I could have made in the examinations, followed by the examinations that were there in the test series. They were very important as they helped me improve my writing speed, and overall, they helped me gain confidence for the actual examinations. I'd say for my juniors that 10th is quite easy if you take the time to understand it properly. So I'd say you don't need to study much, but when you do, you need to try and enjoy it the best you can. There's subjects such as history, civics, and geography where you will have to take time and by heart some stuff. But when it comes to maths and science, you need to be able to enjoy it. And then only can you get your concepts high. That's all. My favorite teachers, Uday sir was a really good teacher. Biju sir also. Biju sir took a lot of time out from his schedule to look after students like me who had a lot of doubts but were also talkative. So yeah, he was a very good teacher when it came to handling his patients.